In this video, you'll learn how to record sales receipts manually in QuickBooks Online so you can accurately capture payments received on the spot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean and organized sales receipt for your transactions. First, in QuickBooks Online, look toward the top left of your screen and click New. This opens a menu of transactions you can create. From there, choose Sales Receipt. This tells QuickBooks you've already been paid and you want to capture the details right away. You'll see a form appear where you'll enter all the details of the sale. Start by selecting the customer. If the customer already exists, pick them from the list. If not, you can quickly add them with just the basic details like a display name. Next, check the sales receipt date so it reflects when the payment was actually received. If you use location or class tracking, select those to keep your reports organized. Add the payment method, such as cash, check, or card, and include any reference number if available, so you can match it with your records later. In the Deposit To field, choose where the money is going. If you plan to group deposits later, select Undeposited Funds. If the money goes directly into a bank account, choose that account to keep your records clean. Now, enter the products or services sold. For each line, choose the product or service, set the quantity and rate, and confirm the amount. Make sure the income account and tax settings for each item are correct. If you charge sales tax, confirm the tax agency and rate, and ensure taxable items are marked properly. If you offer discounts, use the discount field so the totals reflect the reduction accurately. You can also add a memo to include helpful details like the service date, event, or internal notes. Review the subtotal, tax, and total, and make sure the final amount matches what you actually received. Taking a moment to check now helps avoid issues later. When everything looks complete, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the sales receipt and update your income and sales reports immediately. That's how you manually record a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online and keep your books accurate and organized.